Hey guys, what's up? Feliz Cinco de Mayo. Erica's here.
Erica's sick.
Erica's here, I forgot.
Matt, you're not supposed to take your mask off.
Shh, don't worry about it. No insult. That was just swine, Erica. See, swine flu ain't gonna get us down. Erica got it. I'm still celebrating Cinco de Mayo. I don't give a fuck. Erica and her mask. I'm like, here, Erica, breathe on my mask. I'm waiting for my test results. There. Hang on. Viva la Mexico! Cinco de Mayo. Oh, hand sanitizer, I forgot. Gotta be careful, Erica's here. This will take your body. Oh yeah.
Sanitize the beer, dude. Yes.
Sanitize your beer.
I think it did get sanitizer on it. It smells like it. I think it got inside. Oh, I took my mask off. Damn it! This isn't gonna work.
Erica's coughing.
Ew, nasty.
I'm just kidding. It's because Erica coughed on my beer. It won't get swine on it.